Agarwal and you are watching Jobs Adda YouTube channel. So I'll give a little short intro about myself. I am an IIT ISM Dhanbad BTech plus MTech graduate or postgraduate, and I'm currently doing job in Infosys as a system engineer. And in my college time, I have appeared for around 8 to 10 group discussions during placements time. So I think I'm eligible enough to give little bit some tips and hacks to all of you to help you out in your group discussion. So I quickly want to tell you 5 points which are very important in group discussion, and I think if you will follow that, then you can able to crack, or you can say there will be 90% probability that you can crack your group discussion. The first and most important is you have to speak. In group discussion, it is the most primary and important thing. Whether you say things like any other thing are all secondary. The primary thing is to speak. People are only shortlisted on this basis whether a person speak or not. All the things are secondary, what you speak, but you speak, that's the only main thing. So make in your mind very clear, you have to speak in the group discussion. One word, one line, 2 sentences, anything, but you have to speak. Coming from that to second point, that you have to be relevant. Now see, you cannot go off the topic, or you cannot just speak on anything. Like if we are talking on women empowerment, you cannot talk about global warming or any other issues. So you have to be relevant. You can speak less, you can speak 1 or 2 lines, but be relevant to the topic. Third is to have a glance to everyone. Now when you are sitting in a group, you make sure that you have a look to everyone when you are speaking. This shows the conviction in which you are saying. Now if you have a proper eye contact with the panel discussion ones or with your colleagues, then they will take your seriously, they will take what you are speaking seriously. So make sure to have a glance and to look at to everyone when you are speaking. Now the fourth thing is you have to be audible to each and every person present in the room. First of all, it's not important that you are sitting close to the panel discussion ones who are going to select you. And other than that, it's a group discussion. You have to be audible to everyone. You make sure that what you are speaking is going to the end of the person that's sitting diagonally opposite to you. So make sure you are proper audible. Now the fifth and the last point is sit in a good posture and be confident. Don't give them any vibes or any reason to show that you are not that much interested. Your body language should be proper and should be alert in front of them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you like it. Comment below that which tip or which hack you like it and one thing you want to implement. And if you have some amazing tips, suggest in the comment section and help each other. And if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and we can bring up the series, and it all depends on your response. So have a nice placement and always be happy and keep smiling.